Hey guys, welcome back to Resin Bell. Today I'm going to be doing another mini verse Make It Mini Foods UV resin craft. So we tried these recently and I am slightly obsessed with them now. If you've never tried UV resin and you've always wanted to try it, go grab you one of these little kits. You can find them at Walmart, you can find them on Amazon, you can find them just about anywhere toys are sold. And yeah, there's just a little bottle of UV resin in there. It's a perfect craft to just do a complete craft pretty quickly. And just the packaging inside is just so stinking cute. It's so themed out and you get all the little pieces and bits to create a little mini food, and they're just so cute. So let's open this up and I'll show you all the different things. Now it does take a little bit of time to get into this thing, but usually there's some little dotted lines you can kind of slowly peel these back with. Some work better than others. So let's try this out. We're in. Yay! Alright, so that's what it looks like. We've got a little ball that says a mini verse on the bottom, and it's got all the little pieces that you need. Squeeze, and that pops right off. So inside, inside we have this little package. This says Keep Cool, Happy Sun Farms. So there's a little item in here, and we'll open that here in just a minute. Comes with this, which is the bottom piece of a table. And then we've got this one that says Made Fresh. That is so cute. And there's the top of your table that snaps right on. Super cute. And then you have your little papers, your instructions. This is the paper that shows all the different kinds of treats. We got a strawberry shake, a mint chip shake. I'm actually kind of hoping for a mint chip or a chocolate shake. I think those are so cute. So you got chocolate shake, strawberry parfait, which is the one my kiddo got the other day. A s'mores parfait. He actually got one last night. Banana pudding, strawberry toast, banana toast, avocado toast, which I happen to love. Blueberry cheesecake, which is the one I did last time. Strawberry cheesecake, lemon tart, mixed berry tart, key lime pie, cherry pie, chocolate chip pancakes, which is pretty cute, French toast, and strawberry waffles. And on the backs, it has your, how to combine everything. Just kind of a general idea of how you can combine everything. So, very cool. Okay, and then another item they have in here. There's a little thank you, have a sunny day. And then this one is Happy Sun Farms, Made Fresh. And then in here you have a little fork or a little spoon, depending on what yours takes. Actually, I think that might be a little straw, so we might have gotten one of the drink ones, which is pretty cool. And then we have a little tweezer and the little knob that goes on top of your little cloche here. And then in here, this says Sunny Side Up. That's different from the last one I got. It's like a little tablecloth almost. So that's for your little table. And then here it says, thank you for purchasing our product. And then you have a little information card that you can send in. So, alright, so let's start with the thank you. Have a nice day. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, it's a platter. Interesting. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, What is this? It's toast. French toast. I bet this is the strawberry French toast or something like that. Sun-baked sweets, fresh out of the oven. Award-winning bread. How cute is that packaging? I mean, look how cute it is. It's so adorable. It's just so happy, and it's even got the little miniature little tag. You know, once you make this, you can always save your little packaging for, you know, if you had dolls or something. How cute is that? Okay, so there's two. Let's see what this one is. This one is the Keep Cool one. Whoa! All right, here we go. We have spread. Huh. What kind of spread? Do you think it's peanut butter or butter maybe? I don't know. It looks like peanut butter, doesn't it? How cute is that little bottle? That's so adorable. All right. Okay. Let's see what this one is. Alright, what's in here? Avocado. It's the avocado toast. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, how adorable is that little avocado in the just these little containers. Just so cute. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Okay, how cool. We're doing the avocado toast. So I guess this must be a knife maybe. It kind of felt like it was a straw, but I guess not. It is. It's a little knife to spread your spread. How cute is that? All right, so got our knife and our dish and our little tablecloth and our table, our toast, our spread, and our avocados. So how adorable is that? Put that in there. Pop that in, and now you've got your little cloche. Set that to the side. Got your little tweezers. All right. Alrighty, so let's get into this. So we'll put our little knife here, and we'll open our little toast. How stinking cute is that? I mean, just a little thing. And the little cute little packaging. So cute. Okay, Toasty. Coming out of there. Oh, it's sealed. Sealed toast. I do not want to have to open that. I wish it wasn't sealed like that. Oh well. If you cut it very carefully here, you might still be able to use it. But alright, there's our toast. Look how adorable. It's just so realistic as far as, you know, what it looks like. Very, very cool. Alright. We'll open our little UV resin here. And they are sealed. Look how cute. That is some pretty thick UV resin, so that's kind of cool actually. All right, then we'll open up our little avocados. I was looking for those. And we could put our little avocados on. Alrighty there. Now all I got to do is cure that, and I've got some cute little avocado toast. Okay guys, these are cured and they're so cute. Okay, so the thing with these is that you can cure them with a UV light, or you can set them in direct sunlight for about 5 to 10 minutes and that will cure it. So that's pretty much the same for all UV resins, but look how adorable. It's so cute. It's just so cute. And then you got your little knife, and it's got a little bit of spread on it, and that's so cute. I mean, that's adorable. Love it. And I thought I would show you the one that my kiddo made. He got the s'mores one, and it's just so adorable. Look at all the little chocolates and the little tiny marshmallows, a little chocolate syrup, and some graham cracker down there. It's so cute. It's just so cute. I love these. I wish I had a whole case to just open and do. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Bye.